How to update old presets to the latest Lightroom version. First of all, open the Lightroom app and go to the presets section. Locate the preset you want to update and check if it's compatible with the current Lightroom version. Next, select the preset and tap Edit or Update depending on your app version. If the app prompts you, follow the instructions to adjust the settings for the latest Lightroom update. This may include resaving the preset with the updated format or tweaking exposure, contrast, highlight, shadows, and color adjustments to match the new version's workflow. Once updated, test the preset on a sample photo to ensure it works as intended. You can now apply it to all your photos confidently, knowing it's fully compatible with the latest Lightroom version. Now you know how to update old presets to the latest Lightroom version. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.